Hey warriors, so maybe you're wondering how the last game went, huh?
Arame!
Batem čušćiga sam. Ne seba.
Ne be, brat!
Anyway, we were supposed to find the VIP, kill him, revive him, and get him to come with us so we can mark the targets. We didn't really actually manage to do any of the objectives nor find the VIP. At this point I decided I'm gonna back up and find myself a nice little hole to hide in. And from here my objective was way so clear: eliminate the enemy team. And now warriors, behold my hole. After we were done with my hole, it was time to search for the VIP, so we decided we were gonna look for him in the forest. So while we were pushing through the woods all tactical like, the enemy team actually had the exact same idea as we did, so we came in contact with their whole team.
Тук имаш поне трима и там имаш три.
Да. Знаеш какво? Да бекнеме, не да бекнеме и да фарме другата пътека да им влезем в гръб. Ще оставим трима наши да се занимават тук. Тук вече много тихо.
And indeed we did. We flanked the enemy.
Не ги стигам. Това е тоци.
Той не е от нас.
А?
Не е от нас.
Да, бе, опа, не го страна. Дръж по-отвид ясно.
Готов ли си? 3, 2, 1. Ударна, 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 ударна. Стой, виждам го, стой. Стефане, това е дясно. Копане в ляво, има много хора. Пред тебе.
Няма вече ли?
Не ставай.
As we did not manage to find the VIP in the woods, we decided that we were going to assault the main building as it was under enemy control at this point. So I see this guy and he sees me and we decide just to wave with one another.
What the fuck?
Well warriors, it is what it is. I hope to see you in the next one and I hope to never lose a game the way I lost this one.